Hi everybody, this is Nader Yari. Today I would like to introduce a few practices for beginners that helps to improve your playing skills. First practice, start from first string, and our fingers, first finger goes on first fret, second finger goes on second fret, third finger goes on third fret, and fourth finger goes on fourth fret. Then move forward a fret and play from second fret. Same practice. Then move again one fret forward and play from third fret. Then we move opposite of this practice. It means start from 12th fret, fourth finger, then third finger, second finger, and first finger. You can practice on the entire fretboard. Then on second string, same practice. And opposite. Third string. Fourth string. Fifth string. And finally, sixth string. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.